Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar on how to boost your productivity with Monday.com's PMO, powered by AdTech Software in collaboration with Monday.com. I am Chetan Dalvi, Digital Marketing Specialist at Tech Software, and I will be your host and moderator for today's webinar. Imagine you can solve your bottleneck for the project management and improve your productivity significantly. That sounds great, right? This is what we are going to discuss in today's session. There are several companies that have used Monday.com with the right framework to improve productivity drastically, and some of which will be covered in today's session. So please stick around and we will be discussing that. Before moving ahead, I would like to highlight few things in this sessions. That session will be recorded and will be sharing the recording with at your registered email ID. Also, all attendees will be on mute. So please use Q&A tab to ask your questions and we will answer them at the Q&A sessions towards end of the webinar. Also, we are going to share with you the cool hangouts, some ebooks on monday.com on your registered email addresses. So please stick around till the webinar of the till the end of the webinar, and please fill feedback form at the end of the webinar. So without further ado, I would like to introduce our today's webinar speaker. Firstly, we have with us Mr. Offer Moses, Channel Partner Manager, South Asia from Monday.com. Welcome, Offer.
Thank you very much, Chetan, for the introduction. Very much appreciated.
So, Offer 15 years of experience in variety of industries. He has expertise in creating relations, and also he is a very great mentor. He loves to help clients to solve their problems, and he will be giving us a brief introduction about Monday.com and why Monday.com is preferred choice by majority of companies. Thank you, Offer, for joining the today's session. Secondly, we have Mr. Sunny Kanade from AdTech Software. He is a Monday.com solution architect and expert. He is a man with multiple hats. He is our account expert, sales expert, as well as solution expert. Sunny has more than 10 years of experience in project management, product management, sales, and customer success program. He is very passionate about various technologies and helping clients' problems to improve their productivity. Thank you, Sunny, for joining today's session. So, moving ahead to our today's agenda. Next slide, please. Yeah. So, we are going to understand about AdTech software and Monday.com. Then we will have the key challenges while adapting the project management tools. Further, moving ahead, we have our success stories with Monday.com, where we will see some of great companies which have exceeded a great number of productivity and overall output. They have solved their multiple bottlenecks, and then we will see the secret of project management workflows. Then we will have our key takeaways and special offer for the attendees. At last, we will have our Q&A session. So, next slide, please. Next slide. Yeah. So, starting with brief about AdTech Software India Private Limited. So, AdTech's expertise lies in operational delivery excellences across various verticals and business functions. We have multiple offices in Singapore, USA, and India. In India, we have hosted at Pune and Bangalore. So if you talk about clients, we have 1500 plus clients and we have 15 plus years of experience with 70 plus certified professionals and experts. If you are talking about our partnerships, we are a preferred Monday partner. Also, we are an Atlassian Platinum Solution partner. Also, select consulting partner for AWS. And there are new partnerships we have in the place like JetBrains and GitLab. We pride ourselves to expertise in digital transformation journey to automate the process and workflows to improve your business functions with excellent outcomes. Then we have project management for IT and non-IT teams, SDLC lean and agile methodologies, DevOps and DevSecOps business performances, then ITSM and cloud infrastructure. So with this, I will hand over the next session to Mr. Offer to take you through a brief about Monday.com. Over to you, Offer.
Thank you so much, Chetan, for that. I really appreciate it. And thank you for the introduction. And also a big thank you to the ActTech team, one of our top partners in the region, for hosting such a wonderful webinar on such a very pertinent subject. And what what I want to show us here on this webinar is that Monday is a dynamic environment. This is one thing I'd like you to take away from this webinar. This is the only thing you take away. And it being a Monday being a dynamic environment, you can basically create anything in it. You can create any workflow, any process flow that your company might have, and it takes a very minimal amount of effort to actually complete this or set it up. Because we are a no-code environment, and so you don't need to have any technical expertise in order to set this up to begin with. We are basically help your this basically helps your internal teams collaborate in real time and have one reference point for all your data. We've been operating in India for a few years now, and I would like to say that for 2021, 2022, this will be our focus market. We've signed some very big companies already in India. Some of the examples being HCL, WNS, we have Dalmer, DS Group, Unilever. We've also partnered with Deloitte, Accenture, AWS, TCS. So some very big names. Was one of our biggest partners and clients that we are really proud of is Dream11, who is one of our largest clients in India. And Dream11 is, as most people know, one of the first and one of the largest gaming unicorns coming out of India. So we're very proud of working with this company and growing very rapidly with them. I also want to stress that these are some of the highlights. We work and like to work with companies of all sizes. And so we would love to discuss with you how you can join the Monday AgTech family. And we're happy to customize a demo as well for you. At the end of the session, while you have any questions, please contact us directly and the AgTech team for help us do that. A little bit of a background on Monday. We are basically, in a few different locations in and around the world. Tel Aviv being our headquarters, but we also have offices in the U.S., New York, San Francisco, Miami, London, Sydney, and quickly growing in the Asia Pacific region as well, with offices around Japan and Korea. We have close to 200,000 paying customers now, and we are in over 200 countries, and we've gone public as of July. So we are definitely very global. Next slide, please, Chetan. If you look at the number of customers we are serving right now, we have about all the large brand names that you could think of. This is just a snapshot of that. Again, across countries and across different verticals. And the next slide, I'll go through the different verticals that we're in with the various companies, just to give you a snapshot. So next slide, please. So as you can see here, media, consumer goods, financial services, tech, of course, and energy. We are across the board with all different verticals, and one of the greatest things and the greatest reasons because we are able to achieve this is because we are able to be very flexible in a dynamic environment, having the ability to give you various templates in order to create specific workflows for your own vertical or your own use case, which makes our environment very flexible and easy to adopt. Next slide, please. As I'd said before as well, Monday is a no-code platform. So basically, the majority of people who use our platform do not have any coding or any technological skills. They are everyday users like you and me, and shows you that we can be done with a minimal amount of training, and is very, very, very flexible and easy to scale within your organization because it requires minimal training. And so your conversion rate in terms of you being able to sign up for Monday and then being able to implement it within your organization is very quick, and of course is very visual and allow you to be very intuitive in terms of the platform itself. And I think that's it from me. I send it over back to Chetan. Thank you very much. Oh, we have one more slide. I'd like to also talk about the fact that we have many different use cases that we can use within Monday, and that would be your marketing, product management, IT operations, HR, creative design, R&D, sales, customer success. So each of these use cases, we've created pre-made templates that you can use, or you can use your own custom template that you can make for yourself for your organization. It's going to be very easy to do. It's just drag and drop, and Sunny will go into that more detail as the webinar continues. And I think that's the last one from me, Chetan, or is there another one that I'm missing? Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Thank you, Offer, for your introduction. And yes, it was really great to know about briefly Monday.com and things Monday.com is doing with new innovation, integrations, and new features. So I guess it's a time to our first poll questions. So our first poll question is, how streamlined is your collaboration, feedback, and approval process with the current PMO? So first option will be everything done manually. Teams work in silos, increases confusion. Second option, somewhat streamlined but struggle to make and apply new changes. Third option, looking for upgrade my current PMO due to limited collaboration and tool integration. And fourth option, using advanced tools with streamlined process and faster approvals. So we are holding this for 30 seconds for the results. Meanwhile, please ask your questions in Q&A tab. So we will happy to answer all the questions at the Q&A session towards the end of the webinar. And please do stick around to get cool hangouts and ebooks provided by Monday.com. Okay, so we have result with us. So 33% are saying everything done manually and team works silos, which increases confusion. 22% somewhat streamlined but struggle to make apply a new changes. 22% again looking for update my current PMO due to limited collaborations, and 22 again using advanced tools with streamlined process and faster collaboration. So, moving ahead, I would like to invite Sunny to discuss the project management challenges and success stories where companies have overcome their project management challenges and achieved a phenomenal increases in productivity and 5 secrets of project management that will help you to achieve similar results. Over to you, Sunny. Thank you.
Thanks, Chetan, and thanks, Offer. So, indeed, it was a good start, and good morning, everyone. So, I'll be walking you through the platform and also the challenges which is faced in PMO solutions as of now, and we will see how Monday.com will overcome all those challenges. Before that, I would like to highlight this task management for effective teams. If you are using Excel for planning, tracking, and monitoring any of your tasks as of now, let us know. We will help you to automate that Excel on Monday platform quickly in our 45 free minutes consultation. So within 45 minutes, we'll be able to convert your Excel into an automated process on Monday platform. So if you have any process or anything which you're tracking on Excel or you're doing manually, let us know after this session. Definitely, we would like to help you with automating that. So this platform will help you to track all those tasks, and then also it will show you the progress, and you will see, you can capture the due date. It will help you to send notifications so that the task should complete within the given timeline. So it will help you with tracking, monitoring, and also checking the progress of all the tasks. So without any further ado, I will go to the Monday.com 5 secrets for winning project management workflows. So these are the common pain points. So as per our studies and the market, we have seen these are the common pain points for PMO solutions. So first is projects they live in silos. So for example, one project team is using Excel for planning and tracking their project. One is using a different tool. One is using MS Project. Different teams, if they are using different tools and to track all these activities, then it really becomes difficult to get the updates from those teams. So you have to send emails to them, and you have to uh, set a meeting to just to get the update. So you waste too much time on all these activities just to sync up and just to get updates. And also, if you see, if you are using different tools which are working in silos, then you lack real time data. That means, for example, if you want to show a report to your top management, then you have to fetch data from different tools, then you have to collate it, then you have to create a presentation or a dashboard, and then you can share that with your top management. And meanwhile, to do this activity, you're doing everything manually. Maybe it will take 2 or 3 days. That means you are not showing the real time data, it is already a lag data. And if you miss any important risk, then that risk mitigation will not be solved immediately. It will be solved in the next meeting. So we will see how all these challenges, so working in silos, not having collaboration between teams, there is no communication between teams, and there are you are sending too much emails just to get updates, and there is no dashboard, real time reports. We will see how Monday platform will help you to overcome all these PMO challenges. So as per study, you see 44% projects they fail due to lack of alignment between business and project objectives. And 55% organizations, they have realized that they don't have access to real-time projects KPI, which I was talking about, that you have to fetch reports from different tools, then you have to prepare the reports manually. And then 80%, to be surprising, 80% of organizations, they see at least half their time they rework on the same task. And then this is the last one, the 50%, which you see they spend more days on manually collating the reports. So definitely we will see a success story also where customers are saving a lot of hours on this by reducing this manual task, by reducing their emails and communication, having all the communication and collaboration on the same platform. It saves a lot of time, lot of hours for, and it also increases the productivity. So this is a success story. So this is the a report which is published by Forrester. As you know, Gartner and Forrester, these are two renowned companies who does all this market surveys, and then they publish their report. So this is one of the report they have published in November 19. So in year one, this is one of the customer who is using Monday for 100 employees, manufacturing customer. So in year one, you see they have saved 3 hours a week for each employee. And how they are saving 3 hours a week? By reducing the manual task, by reducing the repetitive tasks, by reducing number of meetings they have to collaborate just to get updates. So by reducing all these activities, you will save 3 hours on each employee. And if you calculate yearly, it is almost 15,600 hours. That's a huge number of hours. You can utilize these for productive work. And if you see on the reduction side, then they saw this 50% reduction on their launch meetings timelines to achieve their project timelines. So, and how they are doing this? So you can customize the platform to send notifications. So for example, if you want to send a notification 5 days before a due date, if you assign a task to someone and you want to send a notification 5 days before, you can customize it. Then you will say, oh, I want to send one more notification 3 days before, one more notification, uh, 2 days before, and the final notification 1 day before, to make sure that the assigned task is completed on time. So with all this customization tricks, it will help, the platform will help you to achieve the project timelines, and also will achieve the task deadlines. And they have also seen that it has increased transparency and accountability, because all the platform, all the employees, all the users are on the same platform, different departments are on the same platform. So the collaboration communication is very smooth between them. There is no time lag between sending message to different department, or assigning some task to different department. If you see year three ROI, it is almost 300%. That huge ROI which you get by implementing Monday. And then you see the project timelines and also team productivity. So by implementing, they have saw it helped the organization in their digital transformation, in automating their processes, reducing number of hours, and increasing the transparency and accountability. With this, I would like to now go to the best practices for PMO workflows. As Offer has mentioned, the beauty of the platform is that it is flexible enough that you can configure any kind of a workflow, whether it's a simple workflow or a complicated workflow. Within 1 or 2 hours of training, you can configure it as per your specific requirements, as per your organization needs. So that is the beauty of the platform. So with this flexibility, we have almost configured more than 200 workflows which you will get when you subscribe for Monday platform. For example, your marketing team, your sales team, your legal team, your procurement team, all of them can use the same platform so that they will not work in silos. uh, the first secret for the PMO is to faster project planning and approval. So we will see how a project is initiated, the ways in which you can initiate a project in Monday, and also how easy it is to approve any project, and then how it is moved from approve to the planning stage. So this is monday.com platform. As you can see, this is a full cloud offering. So when I say full cloud offering, that means you don't have to buy any hardware, or you don't need any infra. You just have to subscribe and start using it. So it is very easy to start and very easy to adopt also, because the UI is designed in such a way that non-technical user, as Offer mentioned, 85% of client base is non-technical, because the UI is so simple and it is very easy to use, very easy to adopt, and very intuitive. So you see, there are different workspaces. So workspaces are nothing but your working directory. So different departments will have different working space. So for example, your HR team will have a separate working space. In that you will have HR processes, your IT help desk, your marketing team, your projects team, your sales team, even your procurement and legal teams. So as you can see, this allows all the department to be on the same platform, and then you can collaborate with any department very easily. For example, if you are in sales department, if you close some order, and after closing that order you want to start or initiate a project, you can easily do that. So once a order is closed, automatically a project will be initiated, and which will be initiated in the project management workspace. So you don't have to send emails that we have won this order and please start the project or initiate the project. Instead of that, just close it. Automatically everything will happen. So this will save a lot of time. So we will see how that will happen. So if you go to project management board, I would like to show you the number of templates which I was talking about. So here you see these are pre-made templates, or these are already configured workflows. So it is categorized as per the departments. For example, marketing department. So you see creative assets, email marketing, and all the marketing plans. So these are all templates or processes which are already configured. You can use it as it is, or after using a while you realize that yes, I need to tweak it. So you can tweak it or customize it as per your requirement. So you see content production if you're in project management department, in sales department, in if you're in HR, software development, manufacturing, operations, education. So you will see all this processes. So it will give you a quick start so that you don't have to depend on any partner on any other dependency. You can quickly start using it and tweak it as per the business need. So once you have, so you can initiate a project by two ways. One is definitely when you close a sales order, automatically a project will be initiated. Second way is anyone can initiate a project by submitting a form. So first I will explain the structure of Monday. So under workspace you have folders, and then under folders you have boards. So a board can be a project, or it can be a deal, it can be a lead, anything. And then under that you have groups. So groups are nothing but categories. So categories, so here you can see these are the categories. So let me collapse all groups. So you can create as many groups as you want. You can reorder, you can change the name of the groups. So it gives you the flexibility that you can configure it as per the business need. So it is not like that this you have to use in the same way which we give you. So no, we understand that every organization, they have their own specific need. They follow their own processes. So keeping that in mind, we allow this flexibility that everything can be customized and can be configured on this platform. So under groups you have rows, or we call items, and then you have columns. So you can set restrictions on who can see which item, who can see which column. So you can have restrictions on item level and also on the column level, and you can add as many columns as you want. Any kind of a data, whether it's you want to assign it to someone, or it's a status, or you want to capture some numbers, or you want to capture some dates, or you want to take voting. So any kind of a data you can capture with monday.com columns. So there are more than 40 columns, and you can have, there's no capping on adding any column. So you see, if you want to set a timeline, start and end date for activity, you have this timeline column. If you want to capture, if you want to track how much time is spent on which activity, then you have time tracking column. Same way, if you want to assign it to some people, and when it is assigned, they will get a notification. In that case, you need people column, status, number, date, sub items. If you want to add activities, sub activities. So in this way, you can have a number of columns which will help you to capture the data. The same column is you can convert this column easily into a form. So with just a click, so if you click on the form, what it will do, it will convert the columns into a form. And this form is also 100% customizable, configurable in nature. You can add logo, you can change the heading, and you will see which field is mandatory, which field is optional. With this, you can set the form, and then you can share this form or embed this form. So once you have this form, let's submit a project request. So for example, I will project. So this is the project. This is a new project which I want to initiate. So let me copy this. You add files. You can see, okay, this project will fall under which program. So you can configure different programs, and there can be, you will see the dashboard of program level also, which I will cover in few slides. So once a project is submitted, initiated, you see, immediately you will get a notification that a new project is submitted, and you have to take action on that. So all the notification communication you will get on Monday platform immediately once the request is there. So that is how a project can be initiated, and how you can structure your projects. Now I will also show you the approval process. So let me. So for example, this is in This is the project. So you see, it is there in the project approval board, and you can add all the conversation. So Monday allows you to have all the communication collaboration within the platform. So for example, uh, this is the platform. So let me ask update. So if I want to ask what is the update, I think Nitish is not invited on this board. So let me add it to myself. Okay, so add like you do on WhatsApp or on on our social media platforms, we can tag anyone and ask for the update, and you can have the threaded conversation here. So immediately they will get a notification on their mobile application if they are using iOS or Android app, and they can also get notification on their email. And also, if you want to integrate this with Slack or Teams, it is easily integrated. So with this, all the communication collaboration you can have within the Monday platform. So that will help you to reduce number of emails and number of meetings. And you see this project is initiated. Uh, s- I will assign a approver, and let's give this project $1,000 budget. You can, if there is a committee, then the committee can vote, and then you can change the status. For example, let's change it to under consideration. When you change it to under consideration, you see the project has moved from this group to under consideration group. And that is the magic of automations. I don't have to do it manually. I have created automations so that it will automatically move from this group to this group once you change the status. So that is the power of Monday. You can automate anything very easily. In Monday we call it as a recipe. You just have to select the right kind of a recipe. So recipe is a combination of two things: a trigger and action. A trigger can be a status is changed, a date is arrived, or a new item is a new project is initiated, or something happened. That is a trigger. And action is what you want to do. You want to send notification, you want to move that item, you want to create a new project in a different workspace, or you want to inform HR. So that is the action. So you can so there is already almost more than 300 recipes which are there. You can choose the right recipe, but if you don't find it, you can create a custom automation also. And it is very easy. Like for example, when status is changed to under consideration, then what I want to do, I want to move that item to under consideration group. With this, the automation is created. So this is how simple it is to create any automation, and the possibilities are endless. You can create as many automations as you want. So for example, let's move this to approve. Once the project is approved, you'll see it has moved to project approved projects. And also it will create a new program. It will create a new project under program high level. So you, with the high level board, you will see all the projects with their phase, with their program, and the status, what is the timeline, what is the status of that project. So with one view, you will be able to track all your projects. So here is our project. So let's change it to planning. So once you change it to planning, you will see this has moved to planning phase. And also you will see a new project will be created uh, with using the template. So the beauty is that you can configure a project for one time, save it as a template, and then whenever you start a new project, you can use that template, and so that you will get all the automation, all the structuring right. You don't have to spend time again on the structuring, configuring the process. You just have to add the activities in the new project. So it will save a lot of time also. So this is about uh, faster project approval and automations of all the project approval. Second secret is automation that I've covered, that you can create n number of automation which will help you to reduce all this repetitive and manual tasks, and also will help you to send notifications. So for example, if a deadline, if there's a due date arriving, then I want to inform the task owner that you have to complete this activity. So for example, I've set 1 day before the baseline, which is the end date. Status, if status is not done, then notify the owner. You see, and the notification, you can customize the notification as per your requirement. So in this way, you can create n number of automation. So for example, one notification I want to send 1 day before, same notification I want to send 3 days before, so that so I just have to edit. I will say I want to send it 3 days before update. Okay, so one is 1 day before and second is 3 days before. So in this way, you can create n number of automations to make sure that the task is done in the given within the given timeline. That is the power of and magic of automations. So that is the second secret, because automations really makes life easy and save a lot of time. Third is a simple and single source of truth. So I want one place where I can see all the project progress. So this is in Monday we call it as a high level board, which is connected with all the projects and will show you the progress of all the projects. So I don't, as a CXO level or as a manager, I don't want to go to different project to see what is happening there. So in one view I can see everything. So we call it as a high level. You see, this is a high level board. It is connected, linked with all the projects, and it will fetch their progress, and you will see the data that what is the progress of all these projects. So for example, this project alpha, it is there are 24 tasks. Out of that, 23 tasks are done, so 90%, 93, 95% completed. What is the project timeline? So you'll see in one view you will be able to see all the progress. So this is very helpful for program managers and CXO level, so to see all the projects. The next is the next secret is so this is very important, because in project management, resource capacity management, seeing the same data in Gantt view to plan and to track and to assign tasks, and then also to do all the resource allocation, to do the time management is very important. So I will cover these three parts now. So if you go to any project, so for example, I have created this project Charlie. So you see here, there are different phases of the project: planning and then execution, and these are the activities which are assigned. And I can change the start, and I can assign the start and end date. And if you have any dependent activity, then you can have this dependent column. Now you want to see, so this is in a tabular format. So I want to see the same in a Gantt view. So it is very easy. So it is already inbuilt. You just have to click on the Gantt view, and the same data you can visualize in Gantt, and then you can do all the planning here itself in the Gantt view. So this is also 100% customizable and configurable in nature. For example, I want to activity 2 is going to take a bit longer, then I can change it, and automatically all the dependent tasks, their timelines will change. You see, all the dependent activities, they are changing their timeline automatically, and this is also 100% configurable and customizable in nature. So with this, there are many different views. If you are in a software, then Kanban view is important. You can see the same data in Kanban view, and I will show you how easy it is to configure. For example, this is one activity. I want to see more data of this activity. I just have to go and select which data I want to see. Okay, so you see automatically it is changing the card. So how this is how easy it is to configure anything on Monday platform. Then the next I want to show the chart. You can configure as many charts as you want based on the requirement. And then a workload. This is very important, because this is the view where you can do all the resource and capacity management. For example, Nitish and Sunny, these are two resources who are working, and you can see the checkbox. It is ticked. That means we are utilizing all the resources up to their up to their level. So, for example, Nitish can do 2 activities in a week. Then yes, only one. Okay, so as of now, the setting is Nitish can do only one activity. So one activity is assigned to Nitish. If I assign one more activity to Nitish, you see it will turn into a red. So let me go and assign one more activity to Nitish, and immediately you will see it turn red because the capacity of Nitish is to only work on one activity, but we are assigning 2 activities. So with this you can see which resources are underutilized, which resources overloaded. So you can do the capacity management planning from here. And so you can, this is also 100% cost configurable and customizable in nature. So if you go here, you can set the effort and the weekly capacity of the resource. Next I want to cover is the dashboard part, which is very important for CXO levels to see a real-time dashboard. You can create as many dashboards as you want, and this is also 100% customizable. You can add widgets based on your needs. So this is one dashboard which we have created for. This is for one project. This is fetching data from one project and it is showing you it is in progress or on track. And then you see all the activities, and also you will be able to see the different widgets. For example, plan versus efforts. If you want to see what is the league lag, what is the time estimations, what is happening on the budget management part, is it overspend, or we are not spending at all. And then if you want to see the expenses also, then you can configure it. So you see this is also 100% configurable in nature. So you can create dashboard and configure it as per your CXO level requirement. So this is one project. Now I will show you a program level dashboard where it is fetching data from multiple projects. So you see Project Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta. You can see with one glance, will be able to see the progress and the status of all those projects. And it is also showing you the effort breakdown for Project Alpha, Project Bravo. So this will save a lot of time. We don't have to audit or do to check the projects. You don't have to go through individual projects. With just one glance, you will be able to see what is the progress and where is the risk. So that is about our secrets, 5 secrets, which will help you to have a world-class project management solution. This is time for the second poll question. So this is, what is the time frame for a new project management initiative? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6, or more than 6 months? Meanwhile, you can put all your questions in question and answer session. So we will try to answer all the questions. Okay, here are the results. Good to see 36% wants to within one want to start this project management initiative, to 18% for 2 months, 36% for 3 months. Okay, this is a good result. So good to see that all the people, they want to start this initiative immediately. So how we can help you with this? So as a preferred Monday.com partner, we help customers in implementation, and also suggesting and consulting them with the best practices. If you want to integrate with your legacy software or a custom developed software, we help them to do this custom integration. By the way, Monday.com is already integrated with all the mostly used platforms in the market, for example, Slack, Teams, Salesforce, HubSpot. So it is already integrated. But if you have any legacy software or any in-house software in which you want to integrate, then we also provide the custom integrations and training. Definitely, this is part of our onboarding process, which we provide to customers, which will make sure that we train your champions and you don't have any dependency on us. We will help you to configure one or two key workflows so that you will get to know how it is configured. And then once that is done, your champions can easily configure any workflow on this platform. So that is the beauty of the platform. And then also post implementation support if you need it. So these are the main takeaways from this today's session. So build your own project methodology which is suitable for the organizations. Apply some of core features. So once you subscribe to Monday.com, definitely we will help you first to take all your Excel tasks on Monday platform, and then we will set up a project PMO solution for you so that you can use or you can utilize and you will get a feel of the platform. This is a special offer for today's session, a 45-minute customized consultation from Monday.com solution expert. So this will definitely going to help you. So we will understand what is your current landscape, where are you in your digital transformation journey. We will help you with all the solutions. So after understanding, we will give you a roadmap that you can convert or you can start with this process, and then how you can go ahead with and digitizing all your departments so that all the departments will be on the same platform and you will achieve a high performance. Then there's a special discount. Definitely, if you sign up now today, there is a special discount which we are offering to the customers, and there is a free limited trial period which we are also offering, so that you will get a feel. You can have test the workflows, and then and you can see how easy it is to adopt. And if you have any specific requirement, definitely you can check it in the free trial period. So this is time for poll question 3. So would you like to have a free customized consultation from Monday.com solution experts? So answer is simple, yes or no. Definitely, this is going to help you a lot understanding the current IT landscape and where you can go after this consultation.
Thank you, Sunny, for the secrets and success stories you discuss, and also the special offer for attendees. So we encourage you to please sign up for 45 minutes free consultation where we discuss your use cases and challenges and plan for a roadmap on how to solve them. So I guess we also have a feedback form towards end of the webinar. So please fill out that feedback form. And so we will start with our Q&A session. So we already have a few of questions. So yes, the first questions we have, Sunny and Over, can you please switch on your cameras? Okay, so first question is the notification can be sent to office email as well.
To answer that, yes, you can send notification to office email address. So you can integrate this with Gmail, and also you can integrate this with Outlook.
Okay. So another questions we got that can different departments collaborate on same platforms?
Yes, so we encourage, and this is the platform which is designed so that all your departments can be on the same platform. You don't have to buy HR solution separately. You don't have to buy, CRM, and then integration is the biggest challenge in IT industry. If you see, so if you want to integrate two platforms, you will face a lot of challenges. So this platform is designed so that all the departments will be on the same platform, and then they can collaborate and communicate easily within the platform.
Okay. So one more question we have that how much time will require to adopt Monday.com's PMO solution?
That's indeed a good question. So it is very, very easy to adopt. So as I said, once you subscribe within after 1 or 2 hours of training, you can get start with your workflow. So within one day, if it is a simple workflow, within one day, I can say you can configure it and you can start using it. If it is a complex workflow, maybe 3 or 4 days, and then yeah, it is you can go and use that platform.
Okay, so one more question we have that if we have our old project, so can it possible that to copy that old project into to creating a new one?
Yes, so you can migrate or import all your old project activities in Monday. So there are different ways of importing it through Excel, through different, and it is, for example, if you are using any other platform, then you can easily import from those platforms in Monday.
Okay, so we have two more questions that can we use Monday.com while being offline?
Yes, this is a recent feature which is added by Monday.com. You can work offline, and if, for example, if you are in lift or if you are in aeroplane where you're not getting any network, you can work on your assigned task. And once you are back, online, it will sync all those tasks to Monday.com. So yes, definitely you can work offline.
Okay, so are all users needed to have the unique license to access it for Monday.com PM?
So Monday, so it works on number of so based on per user subscription. So you have to buy if there are three types of users in Monday. One is the team member. So team member is the one who is going to change or update or can edit the things in Monday. So yes, team members are chargeable. Second is guest users. So guests are if you want to collaborate with your clients or freelancers or maybe your vendors, so those guest users are free users, so you can invite them on any board as a guest, and then they can collaborate with your team members. So those users are free users. And then there's a third, which is viewer are users who can only view the data, they will not be able to change anything. So those viewers are also free users in Monday. So it only Monday charges only for the team members, and each team member has to get a subscription.
Okay, so one more question we have that can we integrate Excel and do BOQ related tasks as well?
Yes, that is possible.
Okay, there are a lot of questions, but due to some time limitations, we will take the last questions that what if I am unable to find the right integration what I want with Monday.com's PMO?
Okay, so if that integration is not there, definitely we help to get that custom integration for you. Yes, so as partner, as a preferred partner, our expertise is into developing all this custom integrations.
Okay, so one last questions. Sorry to interrupt, Sunny. So
No,
one last question we have received that can we manage PPC as well in same platform?
PPC.
It's a digital marketing term, paid campaigns, paid
Okay.
publics.
Yes. 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 So, for if you see our marketing module or marketing solution, so you can do marketing. You can manage your campaigns. You can manage your events. Even you can have a damn digital asset management, and also you can do project launch activities. So those workflows and solutions are already there,
Okay,
and it
that
is
sounds
also
great.
integrated. Yes,
Yeah.
sorry, but I forgot one point. It is you can also integrate this with Facebook ads and also with MailChimp if you are using those for surveys, and you can get the output of those campaigns on surveys in Monday easily.
Okay, so we have one more question that how to consider license with email ID or anything else we need to provide.
Email ID is the only thing.
Okay. Okay, that sounds great, Sunny. There are a lot of questions, but we have some time limitations. So we will try to answer all the remaining questions over an email or over a phone call with our experts Sunny and Offer, and we will try to resolve all your queries and questions. So I hope you all enjoyed today's webinar and gained something knowledgeable from these sessions. At last, I would like to thank you, Offer and Sunny, for giving valuable time in this webinar and sharing your valuable insights. Thank you. And thank you everybody for being a lovely audience. With this, I'm Chetan from AdTech signing off from the session, and I hope we can meet soon in another session. Thank you.
Thanks, Chetan. Thanks, everyone.